Hi, I am Asher, and today I'm going to show you how to clean your car headlights with WD-40. You may have heard that WD-40 can help remove the fog and the yellowing from your headlight lens, but is it true? Let's find it out. For this experiment, you will need a can of WD-40, a tissue, and a dirty headlight. First, spray some WD-40 on the tissue and wipe the headlight gently. You should see some dirt and grime coming off. Repeat this until the headlight is clean and clear. You can also spray some WD-40 directly on the headlight and let it sit for a few minutes before wiping it off. As you can see, WD-40 does a pretty good job of cleaning your headlights. It removes the oxidation and restores the clarity of the plastic. However, this is not a permanent solution. WD-40 is not a protective coating, so it will wear off over time and expose your headlight to the elements again. You may need to repeat this process every few weeks or months to keep the headlight shining. So you have it, WD-40 can help you clean your headlight, but it is not a long-term fix. If you want a more durable and effective way to restore your headlight, you may want to use a headlight restoration kit or seek professional help. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Bye bye.